Alright, so finally it has arrived. After probably about a little over a month of waiting, we finally got our front splitter for the ATSV coupe in carbon fiber. And I walk in after lunch and boom, this is how it shows up, which is a little scary. Looks like an accordion, but hopefully there's no physical damage to the spoiler itself. I guess it will be a real leap of faith here that it's not damaged considering the condition of the box. You guys can see from DHL, straight from China. I already took photos. It's always best to do so, just in case I do gotta put an insurance claim if there is any type of damage. So let's get right into it and get this thing opened up here. Our mighty fine razor blade. And hopefully, oh, I got my fingers crossed because literally the car leaves for the show in 2 days, and I got a box that looks like this. So, guess we'll find out. Open. Okay. Pull this piece. And there you have it, guys. At least it was bubble wrapped. Oh boy, that's not good. It's not good. I don't think that's supposed to look like that. Oh boy. Let me get my phone out and take pictures real quick of this. And oh crap. Alright, let's get this bubble wrap off and see, but what do you guys think? That looks broken. Hold on, I'm filming a video. Oh my god. Alright, where do I put my razor blade? It appears to be broken, yes. Alright, so take this off. Pull the wrap off. Yeah, we're gonna have to right here. Because this thing was not cheap. It was $500 and some change, which compared to the GM one for well over $1,000, not bad. But yeah, that's not good. That sucks, man. Oh, damn. Yeah, I mean the quality of the carbon fiber looks so good, but yeah, it's cracked. That sucks, man. We waited so long for this thing, and I gotta go through all this process. I was looking forward to getting this thing on the car. Oh, that sucks, man. I guess we're gonna have to run the other one for now. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut this here and get this back on. Alright, as you guys can tell, I'm probably not very happy, which I'm not very happy, because my spoiler came in broke. What? What the fuck? But these do come with the side skirts, which does not come from the factory, which gives it a little bit different of a look. So I'm gonna show you guys and possibly still run these before the show to see how they're gonna fit or how they might look. So they just go in place of these on bolt, and these bolt in. The quality is actually really nice. The carbon fiber quality is very, very high, which I was kind of amazed for the price of the unit. But yeah, whatever we decide to do, the car needs a spoiler. If you come on over here, guys, I got the factory one, which I'm just gonna do a quick comparison to as far as the quality. We're gonna take it up front and check it out compared to the OE. How's it going? In 1 second. So you got this one right here, and I'm just gonna put a side-by-side comparison of the two. All right, sorry about that. We just got a parts delivery. Hood insulators for the Grand National. If you guys are interested, make sure to check them out on our website. All right, back to where I was. So, comparison quality. Below us, we have the original GM one, which I already did try to get from GM. Here's the part number. This thing was retail almost $1,300 from General Motors. So, yeah. The price was well up there. I mean, it is real carbon. However, this is not real carbon. This is a fiberglass injection molded. The carbon fiber look on it. So you can see here you got a lot more gloss and definition in the aftermarket one, but the carbon pattern on the real one is a little bit more real looking, I guess you could call it. And this one's just a little more blotchy. I don't know if the camera's kind of picking that up. Try to get a little bit closer. Look here. So now the reason this was changed is because this point was cracked here, and this point was cracked here. So yeah, I'm just bummed out, man. I mean, it's pretty bad. Just broken clean off. So I'm gonna decide if we're gonna end up putting this one on for the show, or try to put this one on and make that look not as noticeable, because this right here is very noticeable in the front compared to where if I seam that together it might not be as noticeable because it's a clean break. But I haven't really got that far. We'll kind of see where we're gonna go, and I'll let you guys know in just a second, and I'll show you guys whenever when we decide to put back of it installed on the car. All right, so while we're here, we're gonna put the carbon fiber side skirts on. It's a T15 Torx bit, and I already got two of the bolts out, so I got one more left here, and we will get these swapped out. Trying not to be too bummed out about this spoiler. I did order it off of eBay. It was $500. I just did get the retail pricing on the GM one, and you guys are ready for this. Talk about sticker shock. $1,950 is the price on the GM one. Almost $2,000 probably with tax. So it's totally outrageous. There's one more stuck up in here hiding. So that is not gonna happen, guys. I don't even know. I mean, you know, the car's already low to the ground, and I'm thinking about even doing a 1-inch drop, and it's just gonna cause me probably more conflict in the front because I didn't even try hard at all. I mean, it cracked so easily, the original one. I wish there was something to do to avoid it, but there's really not, besides be extra careful. So here's a peek of it off, and then this is an idea of what it's gonna look like on, and that looks sweet. I love that. Alright guys, so I got the spoiler up here on the bench. I am going to try to glue it for the show just because I'm not going to get an OE one or a replacement from China in 3 days. So you can see here is a pretty clean break. The only problem is you're going to see like the stress crack marks that lead up to the main break. Those I'm not going to be able to hide. So I'm going to try my best here to glue it and get it on the car. Update, guys. I am running the GM spoiler. I have been here struggling for the past 30 minutes trying to make this garbage spoiler fit. Few keynotes. First off, I found another stress crack right there. Second off, this thing fits like junk. These tabs do not line up good at all. So it's a super hard time getting these, and I just felt like I was gonna keep breaking it. So I am just gonna, who knows what with this thing, throw it out a window. And for now, I'm gonna put this back on, the OE fit one, and you can see it. Look at that. Just snaps right on like a glove. No complaints, no worries. Goes right in. Looks gorgeous, fits great. So I am gonna do whatever I can to try to hide some of this for the show. But I mean, there's nothing else I could really do. I just think that looks the best. I'm gonna wax it, polish it, see if I can get some shine out of it, and hopefully it hides some of the cracks for the show. And we're gonna run that, guys. So moral of the story, do not buy Chinese aftermarket carbon fiber pieces. The only thing I'm kind of happy with is these side skirts, which still don't even fit that well because you see like it's just like sticking out all weird here compared to where the stock one, it's got a nice flat tip where it just molds into the body. But anyway, I already got on eBay. I put my complaint in, so hopefully they take care of me and get this refunded and sent back to Beijing, China. Butter wax. It's like popcorn butter. Shake well before use. Get our applicator. Got the new applicators. By McGuire. Gold class. Get our new microfibre. Where's our microfibre? Oop, that one's on the floor. It's compromised. All right. Never use a microfiber on the floor. Shake all the dust out. Sponsored by Duncan. And we are gonna put a little bit of butter on this baby. Oh God, way too much butter. Extra butter. Call that butter. All right. Wax on, wax off. Try to get some shine back out of this thing and go from there. Hopefully it's gonna come back to life. I totally think it will. I think it'll be all right. Put some wax over this, cover some of the scratchies. Rock chips. I would love to do a clear bra on this car one day. My detailer said that I should ceramic coat it after all this extensive work we've just done to do a paint correction. It's a good time to ceramic coat it. I think we'll consider that after the show. Woo! Nice and shiny. Alright guys, there it is. I just gotta put the bolts on and secure it down so we don't lose it going at high speeds. Alright, so there you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kind of a bummer, but stuff happens and we all know this being in the car industry, whether it's ordering parts, getting new parts, trying out new parts, there's always things that could go wrong. So it's best to just be, you know, open-ended about it and not get fully upset when stuff like this occurs, because there's always ways to overcome it. Luckily they already did email me back. They're going to take care of the shipping costs, the product, and get it sent back and all my money refunded. And I am going to go keep putting money in my piggy bank to save up for the GM1 one day. And I'll probably only put it on for shows and events that I know I'm not going to be bashing and thrashing on the car. So anyway guys, moral of the story is just do your research before you are going to purchase a item like I did, and just, you know, ask people around, and even if you have any questions, message the manufacturer just to kind of feel it out, and always make sure they ship with insurance. So luckily they did in my case and everything's covered. So anyway guys, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. We will see you at the next video, and stay tuned for more boosted stuff. Peace.